Today, we're going to build our very own popsicle stick boat. First, we need to lay 7 jumbo craft sticks flat and side by side. Now, we'll remove the 2nd, 4th, and 6th jumbo craft sticks from the row. And we're going to set them aside for the moment. Fizztastic! Let's squeeze a line of glue down the length of each remaining jumbo craft stick. Next, we're going to build half of the boat's deck. Starting at one side, we need to place 4 jumbo craft sticks perpendicularly across the jumbo craft sticks with glue. These craft sticks should be close together with no gaps. Perpendicularly means the opposite of the way our other sticks are going. Now, we'll take the standard craft stick, which is going to be the mast of our boat, and stand it up vertically with the flat side against the deck stick. This will give us a thin space between the next 4 jumbo craft sticks, which are the other half of our boat deck. Now, while holding the standard craft stick in place, we need to lay 4 more jumbo craft sticks tightly together to complete the deck of our boat. Okay, now that we've got a tight deck, let's set our standard craft stick to the side for one moment. It's time to create our sail by cutting our paper into a triangle or square and coloring it with designs and our initials or even our favorite numbers. Fizztastic. Let's squeeze some glue on the top half of our standard craft stick and attach the sail to the center. Now, we'll squeeze a bit of glue on the lower tip of our standard craft stick, the boat's mast, and insert the stick into the space between the 2 halves of the boat's deck. This should be a very tight fit. Now, while you can do this in a pond, a lake, a stream, a river, we're going to do it a little more simply right here in our lab. We've got a large bowl of water, and you can use your own large bowl of water, your kitchen sink, or even the bathtub. But it's important to get an adult to help you with this part. Okay, Declan, let's put in Declan's boat first. Very carefully, we're going to set it into our boat. Fizztastic! Declan, your boat floats.